This is a very short episode, hence the very short intro. But it is still related to the Gunter Wulff Bingolett Rialto Tivoli. And this came out of the machine, and it's the cam that is turned by the motor on the right. And I just thought this is worth videoing because very few people would have taken it out or quite understand how it all works, apart from the fact that it has some teeth and some dips in it. There is a reason why I've taken it out, and I'll show you in a minute. But you see these notches, you see the first, well, forget the first one, it's got one notch on it. This one's got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has got 2. This one has got 1. This is like Piggy Goes to Market, isn't it? This one has got 4. These donate the payouts. This is how it sends the pulses to pay out, depending on what score you've got. So that one would pay 5. So I imagine that would be, if you'd scored 3 1s, I think that's the highest payout you can get. That one you would only get 2 coins. Now in my case, I'm using 20p, so in this instance, because you got 5, you would get £1 if you got that one. That one, you got 2 notches, you would get 40p. That one, it's got a single notch, you just get your money back. And on that one, you've got 4 notches, would give you 80p. Now, as far as I know, that is all the payouts on the Gunter Wulff. Pretty sure of it. I don't think there's any others beyond that. Except, and this is the reason I took this out, look at those 2 cams. Horrific, isn't it? They only appear to have 1 notch on it. And I don't know why they've done this. At first I thought, oh, they've just tried to nobble the payout by melting the cam, which would, if they had done that, I'll tell you what, they want taking out very quietly and shooting, because it would just be simple to disconnect a wire, wouldn't it? Why would you do that? But I think they have only got 1 notch on. I would really, you know, the only way you'd know for sure would be to look at another Bingolett, watch that cam go around and see if there is only single notches on that one. I suspect there is just 1, but I will just smooth this out because that's like, look, it's like the surface of the moon. You wouldn't want the leaf springs riding along on that, would you? Anyway, a bit of a diversion, but interesting all the same, isn't it? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.